Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Dan Pickett here, and I just wanted to send you a quick video and get you excited and just share my excitement for our course together tomorrow. So I hope that you are getting hyped and ready to rock. This is what we're going to be building tomorrow night. So what we have here is a simple web page that's going to present the user with the option to play either rock, paper, or scissors. And as a result, the computer is going to randomly choose one of the three, and we're going to determine the winner. And then we'll get the option to play again. And it's a little fun game that allows us to cover the fundamentals of JavaScript. I also wanted to send you this video because there's a few things that I would love for you to do in advance of the course, just so that we can make the most use of the time. So the first thing is if you haven't already, definitely download the Google Chrome web browser. So you can go to google.com/Chrome. I'll make sure that all the links here are in the notes for the video. But you want to make sure you download this browser because we're going to be using it pretty extensively tomorrow night. Also, you want to make sure that you download Visual Studio Code. So this is a professional web developer's editor. It really increased in popularity over the last 2 years or so. We're going to be using this as we walk through the code. And then also, I would love it if you created a GitHub account. So if you haven't already created a GitHub account, go ahead and do so by going to github.com. Create your account and just set that up because that's going to be useful for creating an account on Code Sandbox. So you'll also want to create a Code Sandbox account that will require a GitHub account so that you can pull down our starting version of the rock, paper, scissors program. So what we have here in Code Sandbox is just a starting template that we're going to build out as we progress through the course. So we'll be talking about Code Sandbox itself in a lot more detail as we walk through the course. But what you can do for now is create an account, and actually I'll make sure I supply this URL so that you have it and you can actually download this starting code as well to your local machine. Okay, so try to tackle those things before you come in tomorrow. And as it relates to other things, it's really about making the most time together while we're on campus. So make sure that you grab something to eat before arriving. We're going to be spending all 3.5 hours together coding. So we're going to, of course, take a few breaks, but we're really big at trying to pack as much value into the 3.5 hours that we have together as possible. So we're not going to be eating or anything like that. We're just going to skip all the frills and get right to the code. So be prepared and ready for that. Also, make sure that you plan to arrive 15 to 20 minutes early. Our lobby manager, Noel, is a fantastic guy. He can definitely help you up to the 7th floor. You definitely want to make sure you arrive early so you can get comfortable, get situated, get set up on the Wi-Fi, get familiar with the space, and also get to know me a little bit as well. So I hope you can arrive 15 to 20 minutes early because we're going to get started promptly at 6. And lastly, I just hope that you get in the right mindset. It's going to be a fun night. We're going to learn a lot. There might be a little bit of frustration in terms of getting set up and things like that. So just embrace the process that is learning to code. It's going to take a little bit of personal growth. It's going to take a little bit of patience. I know you can do it. You've already signed up for the course, so I'm really pumped to have you. So I hope that you are getting hyped for the course, that you're excited for the evening, and that you are looking forward to learning a lot with me and with Launch Academy. Thanks, and I'll see you tomorrow night.